Hexagon's breakthrough AI technology is revolutionizing CNC programming. Manual CAM programming is time-consuming, prone to error, and a barrier to scaling operations. ProPlanAI is a game-changer, using artificial intelligence to automate and optimize toolpaths in minutes, not hours. ProPlanAI learns from your historical CAM programs to capture the knowledge of your experienced programmers. You have complete control of the data you upload to train ProPlanAI. As you upload additional files, ProPlanAI will continuously learn the way you program your parts and deliver intelligent recommendations. With ProPlanAI, your experienced programmer can automate routine tasks, and new programmers get up to speed quicker. It makes every CAM programmer your best programmer. Ready to transform your CAM workflow? Experience the power of AI-driven CAM programming.